Shilpa,
Thanks.
Susan. Yeah.
Good afternoon, respected jury members, panelists, and dear audience. I'm CA Shilpa Susan Kuriachan from Chennai. I'm in practice. My use case is a financial forecasting model. I'm just sharing my screen. I hope it's visible to all. Yeah. So my financial forecasting tool uses historical data and market or external variables. So I have used ChatGPT and a Python to develop a tool that will help chartered accountants in practice or in industry forecast the next quarter's earnings or based on whatever is available data. The problem statement here is that once management gives their data to us, we don't have any any tools with us to analyze how the next quarter will be based on external data or external seasonal patterns in the industry. So the problem statement is that I need a tool which will help consider external variables as well as historical data in forecasting the next few quarters earnings, that is. So I will just show the prompt library that I had given to ChatGPT. These are the prompts. So basically I developed first an Excel sheet which has I have taken as a case study the seasonal historical data from Tanishq Jewelry, their segmental performance, which is a published data. So I've taken the historical financial data and the various external variables being the gold price per quarter, whether it's an upcoming festive season, and what are the other business factors. This is loaded into an Excel file, and I interacted with ChatGPT and asked for a Python script, which it finally gave, and I had a lot of errors while trying it out in the first time, which was finally resolved with ChatGPT. So this was my Python script. And I have used in it the Sarimax model which is a statistical model. It's called as seasonal Arimax. It uses the endogenous and exogenous variables. The exogenous are nothing but the market variables. So once I asked the Python script such that I will get an next quarter earnings report in Excel as well as a graphical representation. So I will just show how we have to execute it. So in my Windows command, that is, I'll just have to copy paste this Python script and the Excel location, and I just have to paste it and run it. Once it runs, it will tell me that the forecast chart and the data is saved in the same location. So once I minimize these screens, this is the source data which I worked on, which you saw in the Word file. And this will be the next 24 quarters earnings that are estimated based on all the variables given. So if you see, I had given that by December, there is a festival season coming up. So it has estimated that there'll be a jump in the sales by December. So this is how we have prepared it. And this is the graphical representation for it. So I'll just show you my prompts that were executed in ChatGPT as well. And this is a long chat. I don't want to take you through it. So finally, we built it and it was all done. This is my basic presentation. Thank you. I'll stop.
Yeah,
Thank
Shilpa.
you.
So it appears very short, but in the way things are, it has to come with a statutory warning that it's a presentation. No one must rely on that and start investing in gold because by 31st it is going about 10 lakh. But then
no, I compared it with the actual sales as well of Tanishq quarter-wise, and I saw that the similar pattern was followed. So I will just show you that Excel as well if it's required.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, just a second. So this was my actual sales and this was the forecasted. So my forecasted didn't factor in the COVID drop, the drop due to COVID impact, but approximately it was just I need to work on those parameters as well. But I could see that towards the 2023, it is somehow coming more or less same. That's the only way I could.
Okay.
Yes, of course, we
So,
can't.
yeah, please continue.
Yeah, of course, it is only a estimate, but I want something that will factor in other variables as well. Because right now we don't have anything which uses the outside variables.
Okay. So, suppose at the back end, the data is gold prices over, say, 5 years each quarter. So, if we replace the same by silver, would this model suffice for that?
Yes, it will rework it. It will rework based on the pattern of the gold prices and the sales. So it will have to, it will correlate because it is the Sarimax model uses each factor. So if the silver price is being used instead of gold price, it will see how the silver prices are jumping. And
Hmm.
based on that, it will estimate the next quarter sales.
So, who is going to be the first user of this?
The first user will be a chartered accountant in practice who wants to prepare a project report of an unlisted company who has only the historical data. The second user can be a normal shareholder who has only the historical data and knows how the next few quarters are going to look for the company. So these are my users that I have identified.
Okay. So, this means that the user, whatever, it's more of a commodity database that you are going to create.
No, definitely not. I just took it as a case study for gold jewelry, but you can replace the model with your industry's seasonal patterns and other variables in it.
Okay. That's from my side, Rahul.
Sir, no further question. You have already asked whatever required. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.